Oh my god, I'm tired. What's the clock? It's 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. Damn, there's a lot of other cars and trucks here. I hope they see me. They don't go out in front like these cars are. Oh, good. Realize about she realized there's a lot of take this slow. Wait. Oh, perfect timing. Perfect timing. I like when it's perfect timing. Not like before. Before I started recording, pulled up to a red light, traffic light, and it was green for as long as I could see it, it was green. No cars. Then the moment I roll up, it turns yellow and then red. So I had to stop. And that was not good timing. It's very bad timing. I wonder if you can hear me. Hello, can you hear me? I wonder if there's a lot of wind noise. I think I realized the problem behind all this wind noise. Stop. Yeah, the problem behind this wind noise is not the fact that I had a weird mount. Well, it didn't help with the mount that I had before. Or my microphone. I think it's my helmet. It doesn't isolate or take away the wind noise very good. It's not very good sound isolated or whatever it's called. So there's a lot of noise coming through. And if you want to stick a mic in your helmet, that's not good. The funny thing about this inspection, I put in a dB killer to make it sound less. Whoa, what's going on here? Man, you people, can you learn how to drive? This is a very bad look for Sweden. People don't know how to drive here, apparently. Yeah, anyways, as I was saying about the inspection, I put in a dB killer to make it sound less, to be sure that it passed the inspection. And guess what? It wasn't a normal inspection. It was, I'm gonna register it as a heavy light instead of a medium light. So it's not, they don't check everything they usually do. But I thought maybe they would check the sound and see, no, this sounds too much. So I put in the dB killer, and guess what? They didn't even check the sound, the noise. That was yeah, I don't know. A bit frustrating, but still, it's better than me putting on the original muffler and them not checking it. So, at least that's good. It saved me a lot of labor. The fact that I could borrow a friend's dB killer, because I didn't get a dB killer with this bike, even though I have a slip-on. I think some previous owner must have, yeah, got lost it or something. I don't know. Anyways, now it's time to fill her up with some gas. Firstly, shift down. Whoa, I was like in 4th gear. Take this one in the shadow. Yeah. Take the good stuff. You have to make sure you get every last bit. Start up. Silence. Now you need to follow the lines here on the road towards the exit. What am I sitting on? I'm sitting on something. Look at all these fools charging their electric cars. And then they have to go in and wait. Me, I just put in some gas, then I go. Oh, I'm not gonna go in the city because then my bike gets really hot. It gets really warm. And that's not ideal. Let's see here.